Welcome to another easy install vid. This is Officer Dan and Johnny Caps bringing you the Gktech gear knob option. First up is this little bad unit weighing in at only 120 grams. It's 45 millimeters in diameter and it's made of billet T66061 aluminum. It's available on M10 by 1.25 or M12 by 1.25 thread pitches. Next is our weighted solid steel gear knob, which is still 45 millimeters in diameter but weighs in at 360 grams and has a chrome finish. Finally, we have the extra long weighted shift knob, which is 150 millimeters in height and is also made from T66061 aluminum. It comes in black and silver with the Gktech logo conveniently located on the top. All of these install in a similar manner. Remove your old crusty knob and toss it out. Thread on your fresh Gktech one using whatever threading technique you see fit. Here, we're looking like we're rolling some dough, or possibly trying to start a fire. Finish threading it on, give the Gktech logo a little rub for good luck, and then pretend that you have 7 speeds in your Eclipse and shift on into the sunset. Thanks for watching. We them Gktech boys. There's also these two dudes that are hungry for subs, and I ain't talking sandwiches. Later, dudes.